Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys I will be showing you how to delete your workspace in Visual Studio Code. So first of all guys, without getting into this how to delete your workspace, I will show you how to download this software first. So all you need to do guys is go to code.visualstudio.com in your browser. You can use whatever browser you have in your PC. For example, for me I'm using Google Chrome. And as you can see, after we're done with this part of downloading it, you just have to click on this download button in here to download for Windows. If you have Mac OS, you can download for here and links through here as well. Now guys, a side note is do not make a mistake or confuse between these two softwares. So there is Visual Studio and there is in the other part Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio is another software that we aren't using at the moment. In this video, are using Visual Studio Code. So make sure that you are on the blue icon logo. Now, in order for us to actually delete a workspace, so let's create first a workspace. So what is a workspace? A workspace can be anything, like literally anything. For example, here, if I click here, new file, Python file, this is a workspace. So in order to delete it, you just have to click in here and it will be deleted. Now, what is another way to actually delete a workspace? So for example, let's say that you have here, let me just close this real quick. So here is my Visual Studio Code project. So here it is. Now, if you notice here, if you can see here, Visual Studio Code secondary. So if I went in here, secondary, and this is my workspace, this is the files that I have. So in order for me to actually delete them, all I need to do is go to my folder over here. So file and then open folder and select the folder. And after that, go to here, for example, I want to delete this, click right to it and then delete. Delete and do the same thing for the other things. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.